Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today I am gonna do something really fun. I recently bought The Sims 4 Cottage Living. With that expansion you get a new hobby, which is embroidery. It honestly looked so fun that I wanted to do it too. I remember seeing that they had a kit for that and I thought, let's go get it and just try it out because I don't know why, but it just looked like so much fun in The Sims. So I hope it's good, but I can't promise anything. I'm in an awkward position right now. You're just gonna have to go with it. So now that we have relocated, let's just start. This is the kit. They didn't have any options. They had only like 2. I have never done this before. I'm just gonna open it up. What is this? I need scissors and double-sided tape. Really? I don't have that. Let me just see what we have first. Okay, we have some colors, we have the ring, and of course the piece of fabric. What do? I have never ever seen anyone do this before. That is awesome. This is gonna go so well. There are no pictures or anything. Let's separate these because I think that's the only thing I can actually do. Okay, but why is it so different from the picture? Okay, so let's just start from the beginning. It says I need to put it in this thing. We're just gonna go for it. Is this how you do it? And you like... Oh my god, that is actually really good. I'm scared to pick it up, so I want to do it like this. Okay, that's not bad. I mean, you can still see the folds. It's fine. I'm not going for perfectionism right here, okay? Why are there no pictures? I like a video. They should have made a video for this. Okay, so if I'm reading it right, it says that I have to split this into 2 strings. I'm scared. There are words that I don't know. And it's in Dutch. It's in my own language. Oh, here, divide in 2. Okay, so do I have to do that? Oh my god. There's a knot. It just keeps turning into a knot. What am I getting myself into? I don't know if you can tell, but this isn't going so well. And we haven't even started. I did it! What do I do now? Crap. I dropped the needle. Okay, I got the needle. Let's put it through. We got it through. I get it. So we have to make a knot. Let's just go for it. What do I need to do? It's talking about 5 different colors. I only have 4. We're gonna start with the cheeks. I'm just gonna start. Let's just go for it. We have a start. I'm gonna go back down. Is this good? I don't know. Should it be so close next to it? Why does it look like that in the picture? And why does it look like this for me? I don't think I'm doing it right. What is that? Something fell? It's not tight enough in my opinion. It might not be centered, but I hope it's a bit better. The least we can do is just keep going and hope it turns out great. Oh my god, that is so bad. No, that is so bad. I have to do that again. I'm a perfectionist. Accepting that I did something bad is really hard for me. You know, I can still go back and do it again. I did not mess up. I did not. Don't look. I totally messed up. I don't even want to show you. I'm ashamed. I'm just gonna keep going. This looks awful. Oh my god, I want to take it out. Yeah, it's just what it is. It's not even covering all of the color of the cheeks. Oh my god, that is terrible. But what do? Do I like cut it loose and make a knot? Or do I just keep going to the other cheek? It doesn't say. I can use the other one for that, or I can just use the rest of this one because it's still a lot. I think I'm just gonna do that. You know, I screwed it up already anyway, so it doesn't matter if I screw it up even more. I'm just gonna cut it, make a knot. So that is the first ugly cheek. So let's ruin the other cheek as well. I feel like I should try to make this one better and make it bigger, but that'll make it look uneven and weird. I'm not sure what to do about that. Maybe if this one looks good, it'll compensate for the other one. So do you think I'm gonna try and make this cheek better? I'm just gonna try and do this a bit closer together. I'm not gonna lie, this already looks better than the first cheek so far. Okay. You know, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's just my first try. It's just supposed to be fun. Last one. Well, it's not terrible, but it's not great either. It looks weird. Why does it look so good in the picture? It like goes around. Should I try that? What happened? I don't know what happened. I'm just gonna try and go around it. I already messed it up in the first place. I don't know what I'm doing. I have no clue what I'm doing. Who thought this would be a good idea? No, I kind of thought this would be like just an extra hobby, but I didn't know that you actually needed like some kind of skill for this. Okay, cheeks are done. This is what the cheeks look like. On camera, it might not look as bad, or it might look even worse. I don't know. In real life, not so great. In the picture, it really looks like the thread is really thin. Is this not how you're supposed to do it? Okay, no, I don't think you're supposed to do it the way I'm doing it. So that is awesome. I just watched the video, and in that video, they like just keep it to this. And I did not. I like doubled it. It's actually twice as thick as it's supposed to be, so I was right. It does look thinner in the picture. Well, I know that for the next part we're gonna do. I'm gonna do the chin, so I need this color for that. So apparently you have to do this slowly so that you won't get a knot, but I think it's just because mine's so long. It's just happening anyway. Oh my god, this is annoying. Yeah, okay, I got him. So we're gonna do it better this time and not do it like double strings or whatever. Why are they so long? Okay, we're gonna do the chin, which is not too complicated. It's just this. I feel like I'm so off. And I don't know how much space there should be apart. You know, if I'm doing it wrong, I'm deeply sorry. And I know these are supposed to be like just as big, but I don't think they are. Oh, is it double? Wait, whoa, 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 whoa. What is happening? Wait, I am so confused. Okay, I got it back. Oh, is there a knot in it? Okay, this is one big disaster. Why does it look like that though? But you know, it is okay if I make mistakes with this one, because when I do a really pretty one, then I'll know how to do it better and how to not mess it up. And I feel like they're not connecting. That is annoying. Okay, I did the chin. I did really big stitches. I feel like it should have been smaller. That is fine. What do I do now? Am I done? Do I cut it? I don't know. I'm sure it must be funny watching me fail like this, isn't it? I hope so, or else this video must suck. Why did I do this again? I don't remember. I recently bought the Sims 4 Cottage Living. I kind of want to try the golden parts. Like, that looks so fun. The stars look easy. Okay, I'm gonna do the nose because I also have to use this color for that. Isn't one knot fine? Because I'm scared it's gonna go through. I asked so many questions, and I think it would be hilarious if one of you actually has knowledge on this topic, if they would just answer them all. Like, here are your questions that you asked throughout this video, and here are the answers. Like, I would die. I would die from laughter. That would be so funny. I'm gonna do the nose. I'm so scared. We're just gonna wing it. Like, I don't know if I should fill it up or like follow the outline. I don't know. I'm gonna start at the top. Oh my god, that is so not where I wanted to go through. Let's make it smaller than I did with the other one. Okay, let's make it closer together. Kind of going right back into the same hole. I don't know if that's even what you're supposed to do. It seems to me like that is what you're supposed to do. I think I'm gonna go down and then back up or something. I don't know. Why does this look like this? I'm not happy. Why is this so hard? I thought this would be easy and fun. What is that? The pink is combining with the brown. Okay, I think after the nose, I'm just gonna do something gold, like the stars, because I think it is harder to mess that up, you know? I mean, I can definitely see this like being fun once you know more of the stitches and everything. So I do think in like my free time, I'm gonna finish it all the way, just make all the mistakes I can make so I can make the next one actually better, you know? And maybe I will do that in a video, who knows. If I actually want to do this sometimes, then I do have to watch some videos on it, because this is not going well, obviously. This is what it looks like now. I know it's not great. How do I do the stars? Because it's different kind of thread. Oh my god. Is this one piece? Is this all one piece? Oh my god! No way, I'm gonna cut it. I have to split it again. God, that is gonna be so bad. Oh, that is so annoying. Oh my god, this is not possible. Okay, I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I'm having the best time. I'm just really enjoying myself. Oh my god, I did it. Let's just get started. Okay, my camera's dying. I don't know how long it's gonna hold out, but we're just gonna start making the stars. I'm just gonna go straight to this part. I don't even care. Okay, the fabric is looking a little weird. I don't know why. We're doing great. Hey, Bella. No, don't come onto my desk. I will pay you later, okay, when I'm done. She's gonna look in the boxes. That is not noisy at all. So the star is not that terrible so far. What bothers me is that you keep seeing the black underneath. How can you like cover all of that up? The gold thread is very weird. It's not good. No! Oh my god, that is impossible to get back on. Oh, I got it. Okay, great. I can't believe my camera made it through all that. Make a little star. Okay, great. That was the end of my camera. I'm gonna make a knot in this first. This is what I have so far. I did the cheeks, the nose, the chin, and this little star right there. Does it look good? No. Not at all. It's that there is like this huge print that does look good because I didn't make it. It's not that bad. I mean, the picture looks better, but you haven't seen the picture, so you don't know how bad it truly is. Maybe when I finish this one and I'm gonna make a new one, I'll make another video just like to see my progress, and maybe if I have just a tiny bit more experience, it'll be better and it'll also be more fun to watch or something. I'm just gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for watching me fill. I hope it was fun. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to become a part of the family. Comment down below if you ever do this. So let me know your experience with this. I hope I will see you in my next video. Bye!